So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Telus stock on Moomoo. So once Moomoo's opened up, go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass. Once you're here at the top, type in, very simple, ticker symbol T. Now at the top, T in the States is AT&T. If you're here in Canada, T is Telus Corporation, so make sure that you are buying the correct one. In this case, if you want to buy Telus stock, make sure it says Telus Corp, press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom left, press on trade, and then press on buy. Once you're here, you can adjust the session type that you're wanting to buy the stock in, as well as the order type. There's limit, there's market. Once you're here, you can type in the amount of stock or of quantity you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy 10 shares, the price would be right below where it says amount. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, press on buy, and go through it that way. So this is very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Telus stock, ticker symbol T, on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.